Tatoeba is meaning that, for example, or for instance. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Tatoeba, you can use by beginning from the Tatoeba and after that followed by some example. That means if you want to use Tatoeba, this means you begin the Tatoeba and after that you take some example or some plus after Tatoeba. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Tatoeba, the next let's go to see some example together. For example, 日本の食べ物は美味しいです。例えば、寿司はすごく美味しい。日本の食べ物は美味しいです。例えば、寿司はすごく美味しい。Which means in English, Japanese food is delicious. For example, sushi is so delicious. Japanese food is delicious. For example, sushi is so delicious. So in this sentence, you will see that after Tatoeba, they will take some example, right? In here, our example is sushi. They say they want to explain that sushi is very delicious food for Japanese food. And when you explain something and after that you want to take some example, that you can say Tatoeba and after that take your example. In this sentence, they want to explain that the food, that the Japanese food is really delicious, and after that they take some example to prove what they explaining. And in the case like this, they can say Tatoeba, right? Tatoeba does mean take example. For example, sushi はすごく美味しい something like this. Sushi is really delicious. The next example, 私にはたくさん趣味がある。例えば、魚釣り、登山です。私にはたくさん趣味がある。例えば、魚釣り、登山です。Which means, I have many hobbies, fishing and camping, for example. Or you can say, I have many hobbies, for example, fishing and camping. It's very easy. So that means if you say something and you want to take some example for the thing that you are explaining, so you can say 例えば in this case they say 私にはたくさん趣味がある。Right? 例えば魚釣り、登山。So you can explain to another example by using 例えば。The next example. 私は例えばイタリアやスペインなど外国へ行きたい。私は例えばイタリアやスペインなど外国へ行きたい。Which means that I want to go abroad, for instance, to Italy and Spain. I want to go abroad, for instance, to Italy and Spain. In this example, that means they want to explain that if you want to explain that you or your friend want to go to abroad, want to travel, right? So you can take some sample. If you just say you want to go to abroad, but you don't take sample, they don't know which country do you want to go. So in the case like that, you can say example or instant. For example, so if you want to say example in Japanese, you can say 例えば, right? Like this sentence say 例えばイタリアやスペインなど外国へ行きたい。Let's see the next example. 外国、例えばアメリカへ行ったことがありますか？外国、例えばアメリカへ行ったことがありますか？ Which means that have you visited any foreign countries such as America? Have you visited any foreign countries such as America? So when you want to ask your friends or your boss or your family that have you visited any foreign countries such as Japan, such as South Korea, something like this, you can say 外国、例えばアメリカへ行ったことがありますか？ Or you can change to another country like 外国、例えば日本へ行ったことがありますか？例えば韓国へ行ったことがありますか？ Something like this. So you want to say, you want to ask that your friend have visit to a foreign country, and after that you can take, for example, right? If you just say, have you visit any foreign country? Maybe your friends don't know. They don't know or they doesn't know what you mean. They don't imagine what you mean. So you can take some example. In the case you want to take example, you can say, 例えばアメリカへ行ったことがありますか? That means explain the feeling or to make more understand to your partner, to the person that you are talking with. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of 例えば. What you have to remember is that when you want to take some example to make more explain about what you are. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。